In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the permalink structure on the URLs for your WordPress site. By default, the URL structure is set to plain. And so you'll notice that it has p equals 123. Now what this means is that this is the post ID 123. Every post or page that you create will have its own unique ID. You can see this, for example, on the front end of the site on this test post that I have. It has p equals 1. This is the first post that was ever made, and so it has ID 1. This is the test page I created in an earlier tutorial, and it has page ID equals 16. A lot of people don't like the structure of this URL, and it's not user friendly for search engines and best for search engine optimization. So what you'll want to do is change the actual URL structure so it's a lot more friendlier for people as well as search engines to look at. And so to do this, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate over to Settings, Permalinks. And once you're on this page, you can choose any other custom URL structure from this page. And the one that I most commonly like to use is post name, but I also like to use month and name if you like to have the year and the month also in that URL structure. For this example, I'll choose post name and save those changes. And now, when I go back to the front end of the site, you'll see that this URL structure will change to this friendly URL test page. And on this post, it'll also change when I refresh. And so another question we receive a lot is how to change that text in the URL. So what you'll want to do is edit the poster page. And when you're on this page, you'll click Edit. And for this example, I'll just change this to Test Permalink Structure and hit OK. Now remember, when you click OK, it doesn't actually save this change for you. You'll want to remember to update your post. So over here on the right, click the Update button. And now, when you go to the front end of the site and click this post, you'll see that new URL structure. So I'll click into the post, and here's our new URL structure. So if you have any questions or comments about changing your permalink structure, don't hesitate to reach out to support, and we'd be more than happy to help.